Okay, so what's going guys today? We are back again with another brand new video, and in this video I will teach you guys how to use I got games. So early warning for this, I did not own any of the website or any software in this video. Just uh, making a tutorial how to use it and help you guys out. Okay, so another one, please do not spread this website to or make another video of this website, since this website is very secret. Not actually a secret website, but it will be shut down if you guys leak it. Okay, so let's get into it. First you need to go on your browser or Chrome on your PC or mobile. Uh, of course, this only works on PC, but I'm using my phone since I don't have my PC right now. Yeah, it's on workshop. So I want you guys to search I got games or IGG games. Yeah, just copy it. I will put the link in the description, so you guys don't need to search it. But yeah, if you need to search it, just go search IGG games, and then you guys go to the first website here, and then search anything you want. Let's say let's go. I will go to this tab. As you can see, I will use desktop site. Yeah, so it's much easier. It will match the same as you have on your PC right now. Let me just load this. There. So, oh, back. Of course, there will be some pop-up ads. I want you guys to just don't mind those, and of all pop-up ads will be https slash about, something like that, or slash about.com. Yeah, let's say I will search simple planes, very common to my website. Yep. Website. Oh, why am I searching website simple? Wait, let me just type. There you go. As you can see, it pop up, and it's the latest version. And then you guys click the link, the name, and you guys scroll down. You'll find the links over here, and you guys search whatever you guys want, and go to Google Drive. I will use Google Drive because it's easier. So this is the part that you guys don't know about. Some of you guys don't know about. If you click random stuff, and this, it will be just ads and pop-ups. And if you click here to download at first one will redirect you to a pop-up, and then another one, it will redirect you again to another pop-up ad, and then the third one you will be able to click the download. So click it again, doesn't work for me. So as you can see, it worked, and I'm on Google Drive right now. All you have to do is just download it, and there you go, you have it already. So I guess guys, that's it for this video. I hope you understand what I said, or yeah, just a little knowledge, little knowledge about this video. That's all. Thanks for watching.